check out new Barefoot Refresh Spritzer, the official wine of minor league baseball. From the makers of Barefoot Wine and Fans, every strikeout by a Sounds pitcher this season is brought to you by Sonic Drive-In. The Sounds pitchers finished tonight's game with 10 or more strikeouts. One lucky row is going to win a great prize from Sonic. Sonic, America's Drive-In. That's a McDonald's McDouble. That's right, every time a National Sounds player hits a double, one lucky row wins a free McDonald's McDouble sandwich coupon. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Don't forget to root for your Sounds to score 6 runs during tonight's game. Sounds score at least 6 runs. Don't forget to root for your Sounds to score 6 runs during tonight's game. The Sounds score at least 6 runs. Everyone receives things in you. DeVry University, different on purpose. Visit devry.edu. Remember to follow exciting Nashville Sounds baseball all season long, home and away on the radio at ESPN Nashville 102.705. Come out and meet former Oakland Athletics pitcher Vida Blue, 3-time World Series champion, 6-time All-Star, and 1971 MVP and AL Cy Young Award winner will visit First Tennessee Park to sign autographs and throw out the ceremonial first pitch. Tickets are on sale now at the advanced ticket window. The Nashville Sounds are partnering with Souls for Souls to host the Chewbacca Shoe Drive. Souls for Souls is a nonprofit based in Nashville that is committed to fight poverty through the collection and distribution of shoes and clothing. Collection bins will be set up from June 20th through the 25th, and fans are encouraged by number 39, David Washington. Batting 6th, second baseman number 11, Dean Anna. Batting 7th, third baseman number 3, Jacob Wilson. Batting 8th, shortstop number 7, Matt Williams. Batting 9th, catcher number 37, Alberto Rosario. Starting pitcher for Memphis, number 66, Mike Myers.
I got number 1 right next to you. That worked out pretty good, didn't it? I've been on here for yeah, it's better they've got it small.
Please direct your attention to the field down in front of the third base dugout. We have tonight's Field of Dreams teams presented by Hunt Brothers Pizza. Joining Booster on the field tonight, please welcome the 8 and under Wilson Vols. Also, please welcome the 9 and under Wilson Vols. Here are the 10 and under Wilson Vols. And also welcome the 12 and under Wilson Vols. Fans, please direct your attention to the field where tonight's ceremonial first pitcher is taking the mound. Catching tonight's first pitch is Nashville Sound Dylan Overton. Joining Booster on the field on behalf of the Tennessean is 7-year-old Grafton Graves. All right, Grafton, let's see a strike. Big round of applause for 7-year-old Grafton Graves, tonight's ceremonial first pitcher. Great job, Grafton. Tonight's umpires are at home plate, Travis Egger. At first base, Alex Ortiz. And at third base, Sean Ryan. First Tennessee Park encourages all guests to practice baseball etiquette and limit movement in seating areas and aisles during play. Please respect seated fans and wait for a break in the action before returning to or exiting your seat. We ask that you please respect the fan hosts as they attempt to keep you safe and your aisles clear. When cheering for the Sounds, please be considerate of spectators around you by refraining from the use of profanity. The Nashville Sounds are concerned about your safety. Please stay alert for foul balls and flying bats while watching the game. Parents, please keep your children off of the dugout tops and do not let them climb onto the netting behind home plate. Any fan interfering with play or leaving the stands to retrieve a foul ball will be ejected. Thank you for your cooperation.
fast it takes them to get tired.
Gentlemen, your Nashville Sound! Joining the Sounds on the field tonight are our Field of Dreams teams, the 8 and under, 9 and under, 10 and under, 12 and under, Wilson Ball. We ask now that you please rise and remove your caps as we honor America for the singing of our national anthem. Performing the anthem tonight, please welcome Anna Grace Smith.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Second baseman, number 4, Arizmendi Alcantara. Batting third, shortstop, number 11, Chad Hinder. Batting fourth, third baseman, number 34, Renato Nunez. Batting fifth, designated hitter, number 49, Ryan Healy. Batting sixth, left fielder, number 5, Colin Walsh. Batting seventh, right fielder, number